Hi everyone, I'm Daniela and welcome back to Black Cat Kitchen. Zeppole are a traditional Italian donut typically found at fairs and festivals and also commonly eaten around Easter and Christmas. My version has a base of ricotta cheese which makes them so flavorful and fluffy. The batter only takes 5 minutes to make and I'm going to show you how to fry them quickly and easily. So let's jump into the recipe. You'll find a list of ingredients and measurements in the description below. We'll start by heating our oil. You want about 1 inch to 1.5 inches in your pot. Heat the oil until it reaches 180 degrees Celsius or 355 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oil is heating, we'll prepare our batter. Into our mixing bowl goes 250 grams or 1 cup of ricotta cheese. For the best texture and flavor, you want to use full-fat ricotta cheese. 2 eggs, 28 grams or 2 tablespoons of castor or superfine sugar, 15 milliliters or 1 tablespoon of fresh orange juice, and the zest from 1 orange. Give that a whisk until it's really smooth. This style of zeppole are traditionally found in the south of Italy, and orange is a predominant flavor, which is why I'm using it. To our wet mix, add 130 grams or 1 cup of 00 flour. To this goes a pinch of salt and 8 grams or 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Combine that together until your batter is smooth. Now that baking powder gets working straight away, so let's get them into the fryer. I'm using a 2 tablespoon cookie scoop, but you can just as easily use 2 tablespoons to drop them into the oil. These will take about 3 to 4 minutes. They'll start to turn golden brown and they'll actually flip on their own. The most important thing is to monitor the temperature to make sure it stays at that 180-355 degrees. If your oil is too hot, the zeppole will brown on the outside but be raw on the inside. Be sure not to overcrowd the pot. I'm doing batches of about 6 at a time because my pot is quite large. You might want to limit yours to 3 or 4 if you've got a smaller pot. You can always give them a helping hand if they're browning on one side and they haven't flipped yet. Once they're a beautiful deep golden color, scoop them out and put them directly onto a tray lined with paper towel. This will help to absorb any excess oil, keeping them nice and light. Once they've cooled slightly, dust them with some powdered sugar. There isn't a lot of sugar in the batter, so you want to make sure to dust them liberally. Now all that's left to do is enjoy. If you're looking for another traditional Italian dessert, check out my tiramisu recipe. And make sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.